Welcome to the channel. I am Brad with Fine Tuned, and today we're actually showing you guys how to install the rear window molding on your E90 BMW. On these E90s, a lot of times the weather strip on the rear dry rots and goes out. Once we get the old one out, we'll get this out of the bag and we'll slap it on in. They're a little bit tricky. You have to use, I like to use some like lube to put it in, that way it slides in easy. It's probably not meant to go on like this. It's probably meant to go on while the rear window is being installed, but we're working with what we got here. So I'm just grabbing a pick here. I'm going to get this seal out of here, and then I should be able to pick it up and take it out the rest of the way. Just like that. So we'll do the other side and then we'll do the middle. I'm just going to blow all the dirt out of this channel. I'm just going to clean up this channel as well. Okay, here's the new weather strip, and I had to kind of bend it because it was a little bit kinked from shipping, but we'll just go ahead and lay it on the window here, and then I'll grab some interior cleaner just because it's nice and slippery. So I got some McGuire's Natural Shine here. I'll just spray the surface here, and then I'll spray the bottom surface on this. Maybe I'll take it out, and then I will just start at this corner up here and slide it in and then work it down. And I'm going to open up the trunk just so that we get the edge in there. Okay. Once you get the channel in the window, it will slip in very nicely. Trying to work this edge in the corner. All right, I'm just going to use this pick here to help me get underneath the glass. I think we're in. So now that corner started, and we'll just work it down the window. And I'm going to lift up the trunk again. All right, it just needs to go down slightly, a little bit more. So I'm going to grab that microfiber I had, and that'll give me some tension to pull it down even more. Okay, that allowed me to pull it down just right where we wanted it. So this kind of sits above that lower one. That seemed to work out good. I'll just grab our pick again because we have an edge there that's not fully flat. Okay. I think I like that. It looks way better than what it did. And that's exactly how you install the rear window molding on the E90.